Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is a get ready with me using mostly drugstore makeup and beauty products. I'll be using this Maybelline Superstay foundation with a Wet n Wild brush first and then a beauty blender afterwards. I'll use this Mario Badescu spray to dampen the sponge. I will not be using any concealer here, so I'll just use my foundation as a concealer as well. And don't forget this part of your face. I'll be using this brush, and I bought this from Watson's, and I'll use this Maybelline Fit Me powder. You can use any powder that you have. You can use a baby powder. I just want to make sure that my face is not sticky at all. Next is this EB Advance black liner. This is only 100 pesos. And I'll also use the brush from Anflut's Eye Essentials. Now you don't have to be precise. I'll just put the liner on that part of my lid. I'll just smudge the liner that I've put earlier and I'll create a small wing. Next, I'll put this eyeshadow from EB Ultimate. I'll just put like a brownish shade over there just to give a little oomph on the look. I'll further intensify the look using this Zoeva brush. This is just 2 shades darker than the first eyeshadow that I have used. After that, I'll use this clean brush with a windshield wiper motion to soften the edges. After that, I'll darken my lower lash line using the same brush, and then the same eyeliner that I have used before in my upper eyelid. I'll just intensify my lower lash line. Then I'll use this Shawil Sweetheart blusher, and I'll use this on the sides of my cheeks and on my forehead as well. I'm using here a Wet n Wild contour brush. Then I'll use this Vice Cosmetics in the shade Confirm to contour my nose. And it was way too much contour on the tip of my nose. Now I forgot to press record, but this is the Ever Belena Face Trio in the shade Fig. I've already put highlighter in the inner corner, on my nose, and on my Cupid's bow, And I'm now putting some blush on my face. I'll also put a little highlighter here on my brow bone. For lipstick, I'll use this Sunny Space in the shade Vacay. And then I'll top it off with Pen Shop's Next Move. After that, I'll curl my lashes with Nichido's Lash Curler. And I will be using Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara. To avoid clumpiness, I'll use the spoolie of my eyebrow pencil. After that, I'll put these lashes from Watson's, and then this Intuit Brow Mascara to put dimension on my eyebrow.